This video is about replacing an electronic circuit board within the transmission section of a Chrysler Crossfire. In all honesty, a Chrysler Crossfire is basically a Mercedes Benz SLK model vehicle. So all the parts that you use as a replacement part are Mercedes Benz parts for this car. It just has a Chrysler label or logo or tag on the front of the car.
Oh crap. That was gonna happen.
Okay.
My hand in the way?
No, you're doing good. Everything is perfect on my side of the screen. Okay.
The actual name of this part is called Mercedes Benz Transmission Electrical Conductor Plate Genuine. It's for a 5-speed automatic transmission.
Okay, I got all those loose. You gotta get all these loose the same way. And if that light is in your way, then you gotta readjust it. So big.
The reason we had to replace this part was my daughter was driving from Houston and she got stuck between two cities. Her car went into what is called safe mode or limp mode, where it drops down to first gear and you can slowly cruise back to the city without requesting a tow truck for assistance. It's to actually get you to the nearest garage. She convinced me that we could replace this part as opposed to taking it to the repair facility to have the Mercedes-Benz do it. So that's what we did. We ordered the parts, rephrase that. She ordered the parts. They came in, we looked at them, we figured we could do this, and so we tried it. Just like the oil pan, there's an oil pan filter, or a transmission filter. This is the one that came off the car. You can see up in here that it's actually dirty, and we had to replace this. This is the first thing you'll see us pull off on the car once we remove the pan. What I did not say is that this entire circuit board is submerged in transmission fluid. So all the electronics for this part is under a liquid. Until this point, I've never seen electronics submerged in a liquid before and operate. But I guess this is a thing that Mercedes-Benz are known for. Again, remember when I first started this, I thought this was a Chrysler car until we did all the research. My daughter kept telling me, no, this is a Mercedes-Benz with a Chrysler name. And I was like, no, it's a Chrysler. Until we had to buy the parts. Now this entire process took us 3 days to do. Actually, it took us more than that. This entire process took us the entire Christmas break to do. I didn't want to screw up anything. After all, this was the transmission. The only thing you want to do is screw this up and something fell while you're on the highway at 60 miles an hour. That would not be good. We ordered these parts from a company called import discounts. There's a .com. I'll put that in the bottom of the where the notes are for the YouTube video. But basically, we ordered it straight from these guys. They're in California. We told them what we needed, type of car it was. They shipped it right out. We had it in a week. The part, both parts, meaning the oil filter and the board, cost us $142. That's tax include tax, shipping, and everything right there. So this is a 2-part video. Well, I believe it's going to be a 2-part video. That's what I planned it to be. And from here we'll go on. You'll get a chance to see the video on how we did this.
What? This thing?
What, you said get towels?
Get your one paper towel so you can shoot your picture up under the car.